turmeric contains a chemical called curcumin, which remains yellow in an acidic or natural solution but turns red in base. When you add turmeric into a base solution like detergent water, it changes to a deep red color like that. When turmeric comes in contact with any substance like this vinegar that is acidic in nature, so it turns yellow again. Isn't it interesting?